Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Monday, was it March 21st? Right now it's close to 3 o'clock. I'm going to quickly show you guys how to remove the door lock and the door handle. Let me quickly turn. So the door that I'll be removing, the door handle that I'll be removing is my front door. As you can see from both sides, this is kind of old school, old style, top and bottom. And I'm going to remove it. So to remove it, first thing is, as you can see, there's two screws right here, one on the top and there should be one on the bottom. So you pretty much loosen it up. Actually, not loosen it up, just take it out. I'm going to pause the video and not show you guys the process, but I'll resume after I remove the bolt. Okay, you know what? Actually, this might work. I'm going to show you guys while I was moving it. So the reason why I'm taking this out, because my door is actually kind of old and I don't really have a key for this. That's why I'm putting in a new one on here. And even though the screws is rusted, but it's actually pretty loose, easy to remove. Look at that, small one. After you move it, you slowly take it out. There we go. Looks something like this. That's the old school. Looks kind of fancy too. Anyway, I'm going to set it aside. I'm going to, there's a 2 bolt on this side as well. You guys see? Total of 4. I'm going to take these out too as well. Another reason why I'm removing these is because I'll be painting my front door. So I'm going to be painting my front door, and in order for me to do that, I want to do it very clean. You know, some people they masking tape on it. They put masking tape on it. I didn't want it to do that. I wanted to be nice and clean. So I just going to remove the whole thing so that I could sand the door down and paint it. I'm not really sure if I'm going to do a video on that, on the process of painting the door. Maybe I might do it, but this video is mainly about how to remove the front door, the lock and the handle. Okay, now there's 4 bolts right here. I have never ever removed these before. This is the old school style, as I can tell. Oh, these bolts are long. I wish I have a power tool where I could just unbolt these faster, but no, I don't have a power tool, guys. So I'm currently removing the plate that come with it. This is the door plate. So you guys have to watch me remove all these. You know what, I'm going to pause it. Okay guys, so I just removed the plate. It was like this. Obviously I took it out. And now I'm just pushing this out. Let me see. Wait, hold on. There's 2 more screws in here. So 1. Actually, there's only 1 screw. And this screw is to remove the front. So I assuming the front should just pop open. If I remove this. And I also noticed, I don't know if you could see, there's another screws right here. deal with that one later. But the top, any more screws? No, that's it. I think the door should come out. Except for, there's another screws right here. I don't know if you could see. They paint it, so this thing actually pretty much could come out except for the bottom. The bottom is screws in with this one, so I need to unscrew this. Okay, so guys, I want to quickly show you guys the screw. Earlier was paint around it. I kind of cleaned it up. Now you could see the screws on here. It's pretty much rusted, so this is going to be kind of tough to remove, but I'll try my best. The reason why it's hard because the paint is right stuck in right in the middle of the opening, so can't get a good grip on these paint right here. Maybe I could use something to clean it. And try it again. That's not the one I want. Here we go. Oh, you guys see it? The handle just came off. Pretty much, I probably could take this out right now. Voila. This is the front. I'm gonna set it aside. Take these out. 1, 2, so that's the lock on the bottom, top and bottom. Set it down. Now I just need to remove this handle here. Voila. Was so rusted. Guys, check it out. Look. How rusted is this? Can't focus. But anyway, got the handle out. It was going in like this. So now everything is clean. Let me show you guys. I still need to take this cover off. I'll do it later. Well, I could do it now. But the goal is to clean the door. So now it's completely clean. I'm going to sand this, everything, and then I'm going to repaint this. After we paint this, I have a new door, obviously, for this. I'm not going to paint the back. I'm going to keep it white, but at the same time, I'm going to clean it up. This is very greasy. All right. Well, thanks for watching. I might do a video show you guys how to install a new door handle and lock next time. But right now, I'm not going to be doing another video. So this video mainly is just going to show you guys how to remove it. Alright, I'll see you guys. Sorry for the noise in the back. They are doing something in the front yard.